Understanding text structures. What is a text structure? A structure is a building or a framework. A structure is a building or a framework. Text structure refers to how a piece of text is built. Builders can use different kinds of structures to build different things. These two structures would be built with different materials. A skyscraper, for example, is a different kind of structure than a brick house. So what is a text structure? Writers use different structures to build their ideas. Each text structure communicates ideas in a different way. So let's review. Chronological order text structure. Sequence text structure. Explains how things happen in order. Life cycles are a good example of that. So why might the author use chronological order to write about this frog? Chronological order is also called sequence or time order. Keywords in chronological sequence order include first, next, later, then, finally. When do you see chronological or sequence order? You often see it in directions. For example, have you ever made macaroni and cheese? It's simple. First, boil some water and make some macaroni. Then, make your cheese sauce. After the cheese sauce is ready, mix it with the macaroni. Bake the entire thing in the oven. Finally, it's time to eat. So here we see first, then, after, finally, signal words. Which paragraph is in chronological order? Let's read it together. Pennsylvania has many historic sites. You can visit Revolutionary War sites like Valley Forge. You can also visit important locations from the Civil War like Gettysburg. Finally, you can also see the site of the first oil well in Titusville. Pennsylvania has many neat places to visit. Through the ages, Pennsylvania has seen many interesting events. The state was founded in 1681 by William Penn. Later, Pennsylvania was the site of important Revolutionary War battles. After that, Pennsylvania was home to new factories during the Industrial Revolution. Today, Pennsylvania continues to make history. Which one is in chronological order? That's right. What order is the first paragraph in? How is it structured? If you said description, you're correct. This is the paragraph in chronological order. How do you know? Can you find the clue words that show this order? So let's talk about it with your shoulder partner. What is a structure? What does chronological order mean? What are some clue words that show chronological order?